Okay, we are live again with 8th period, picking up on question 291. Okay, so it says, what is an equation of a line that passes through this point and it has to be perpendicular? That perpendicular is extremely important. Well, we know our regular slope, they were nice enough to give it into y equals mx plus b form. So our regular slope is 1/2. Because it says perpendicular, we need to know our perpendicular slope, and we know our perpendicular is the opposite reciprocal. So that means it's got to be -2. So right away, we'll eliminate choice 3 and choice 1. Now, the next clue we're going to look at is that it says it goes through the point -2, 5. So we're going to have to take these equations and substitute in -2, 5 and see what happens. So I'm going to take equation 2. It doesn't matter which one you pick. 5 equals -2 times -2 plus 1. -2 times -2 is +4, which is 5. 5 equals 5, so our answer is choice 2. (292). In the diagram below, Jose found the centroid. Remember, the centroid has a very special relationship. It has the ratio of 2x to x of constructing 3 medians. He measured CF, which is this entire thing, to be 6. Which equation can be used to find x? Who's got this one without me telling you?
I don't. Hold on, what did I find? It's 3. It's 3.
Nope.
That's 2 times gymnastics. Like, 1.
It is 2. Because the relationship is 2x to x. So this part is 2x, this part is x, and you add them up. So it's 2. All right, next question, 293. Let's see if we can hit 300 before we need to go. Pack up. Point A is located at -4, 7. And then it says it's reflected on the x-axis. Where is the image? Well, we're going to go over 4. Yep. Down -7. Reflect on the x-axis. It's going to be choice 3. And what I told you before is whenever you reflect on the x-axis, the x stays the same. That's why we knew it had to be +4. And then you flip the y. Next one. We have triangle ABC. I noticed that A is 95, so I'm making my triangle obtuse. Yo, recording. 95. B is 50. C is 35. This is another one where we do like the 3 little bears. So 35 is our smallest angle. So the side opposite is our baby bear. 50 is our mama bear. And 95, opposite 95 is going to be our papa bear. So is AB is the smallest. So that means I know it can't be choice 3 or choice 4. Then I've got my mama bear is AC. So it's got to be choice 2. I know it makes no sense putting the 3 little bears, but it will help you do these problems if you think of it like that. Okay, 13. Oh, we're almost on last page. Hey, 295, you can cancel out. We don't do negations here. Yep. 296. Line segment AB is tangent to circle O at A. So here's my circle O. Here's my tangent. Here's my A. Here's my B. Which type of triangle is always formed when A, B, O are connected? Yes, excellent. It is a right triangle. Why is it a right triangle? It's a right triangle because it's a right triangle. It's a right triangle because the radius and the tangent always form a right angle.
I remember the right triangle. It's the right triangle.
So that's why. Next one. One step in a construction uses the endpoints of AB to create arcs with the same radii. The arcs, ooh, fun. Okay, so we have a line, and it tells you the line is AB. And it says that we make arcs of the same radii and that they intersect. So we're going to make an arc here that intersects and an arc here that intersects. What is the relationship between the line that's connected? Who's got what construction is this? What construction is this? Who's got it? Hello, I would like to teach. What construction is this picture? Perpendicular bisector. Yep. Choice 4. Here, guys, this is definitely going to be on your test. This idea of similar, not congruent. Whenever you have similar, the angles are always the same. So we've got ABC. Look at how it does it. Look at how they have it match. ZXY. That's why I say you need to get in the habit of writing the matches one on top of each other. So it says that angle A is 50. Angle C is 30. Well, we can do math and know that 180 minus 50 is 130. Minus 30, Denisha, is 100. So we know that this missing angle is 100. And it wants to know what is X? 100. If you did not pay attention to the order of the letters, you would have gotten it wrong. Because usually we think ABC, X, Y, Z. In this case, it's Z, X, Y. So that's why that order of the letters matter. 2 questions and we're done. Exactly. Which expression best describes this transformation? Well, first, let's look at the order. Here's A to A. They're both 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 distance away from the x-axis, Izzy. So it's probably going to be some kind of reflection. So we can eliminate 3 and 4. And then that part you will see. I don't think you're going to see orientation down here. All orientation means is that it's pointing the same way. And it's not. This one's clearly pointing up. This one's pointing down. So it's going to be choice 2. Okay. Last question for today. In the diagram below, it says that ACT is a triangle. BE and AT are parallel. It says CB is 3. CA, this entire thing, is 10. CE is 6. What's the length of ET? Well, we're missing one of them. We need to know this piece. How long is this? Yep, excellent. So then this is side splitter theorem. All you do is top divided by bottom equals top divided by bottom. 3 divided by 7 equals 6 divided by x. Cross multiply. 3x equals 42. Divide by 3. X equals 14. And that's exactly what we need.